Dali. I'm taking video nga eh. We're at Sterling Grove Cemetery. What's the day today?
16, Sunday.
June 16, Father's
16.
Day.
Father's Day yun.
But we're visiting my mom. With us is Auntie Mary. Wave your hand. And Auntie Men.
Ikaw na, no.
At the
Kasama si ano.
Pine Hill Grove Cemetery. Tatlo, they can't go.
Hindi, si ma'am,
I
kayo ni
can't
auntie
go.
muna. Kayo, umaalis ka muna. Si Cynthia at si auntie Carmen.
We're taking pictures, but I'm taking video. This is the... Oh.
Okay.
All right. Ouch.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Taking your picture too.
Okay, kayo, sinong next?
Mama.
Nag-amin dalawa na eh.
It's quiet right now. Nobody's at the cemetery, but it's beautiful as always, clean and so solemn. Except that we're so noisy today. Just to wake up some spirit. That we're visiting here. We're taking pictures and video.
Okay, ganyan. I-press mo lang yung button mo.
So quiet. You can see, even hear the birds and the crickets.
Okay.
All right. Again, it's
Now,
June 16, 2024
okay,
at Sterling Grove Cemetery. Thank you for watching. We're about to. Are we praying loudly today or not? All right. We're at my mom's
Wala yung akin.
resting place. The Sterling Grove Cemetery. Bye for now.
Hangin kasi.
Oh.